Study of life, or there is nothing more excited than science. We will get all the fun of sitting still, being quiet, writing down numbers, paying attention. Yes, science is all. What is science? Science is search for natural explanation for our observable phenomena. It is a distinct from supernatural belief. Science rely on two types of logic. First logic is deductive logic, making prediction based on reasoning, and second is inductive logic, driving general principles from reproducible fact and observation. What is a science? An experiment based process. Science is an experimental based process, observed phenomena in which we developed hypotheses, experiments, minimize variables, use control groups, many observe reduce sampling error, eliminate or reduce bias, carrying out tests and analyze results. Scientific theory. In scientific theory, a hypothesis that has been tested for its predictive power many times has not yet been found incorrect. So what make up a living things? They have capacity to reproduce. All organisms on earth use DNA or RNA. Second is they harness, store and use energy. Organize, create complex molecules from simple ones. They use complex molecules to grow and develop. They interact with their environment. They evolve our subsequent generations. Population evolve, not individuals. And fifth is they die. I am still continuing on an expansion in my case. The basic unit of life, the cell. Cell is actually the basic unit of life. All the living things are formed from cells. So we discuss about cell theory. What is cell theory? Cells are the basic structure and physiological unit of all living organisms. Cells can be both distinct entities and building blocks of more complex organisms. That is a quote by Sheldon Shavan in 1838. Rudolf Virchow 1821 to 1902 proposed that all diseases caused by change at cellular level. The basic unit of life is cell. Cell theory. All cells come from pre-existing cells. They must have been an expansion of. All the cells are similar in chemical composition. Most of the chemical reactions of life occur within the cells. Complete set of genetic informations are replicated and passed on during cell division. Genetic material. DNA is the actually genetic material. Nothing lives without DNA. Every living things have its own their DNA. DNA structure unique to living world for making proteins. Structure in which hair, cartilage, cell membrane, and enzymes in which control cell body chemistry. Control inheritance of traits, guide development. All living cells on earth use DNA as a genetic material. Viruses are not considered living. Energy and life. Nothing lives without energy. What is metabolism? Ability of cells to use energy and small molecules to grow, maintain, self-grow and reproduce. What is energy? Light, heat, chemical nutrients that receptor can detect. Organisms often store energy in the form of carbohydrates and lipids. Lipids which includes fats and oil. Natural selection and evolution. Individual variation and mutation, overproduction and competition, unequal reproductive success, biological change. The biological world around you is continuously evolving. Evolution is actually is a change with the passage of time. Levels of biological organization. What kind of living organism are there? Prokaryotes. There are two types of organisms, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. In prokaryotes, simple single cells, there is no nucleus present in it, and they are the example of archaea and bacteria. Eukaryotes complex many cells and that is nucleated and in which include protistans, fungi, plant, and animals. Again, voices are considered acellular and not living organisms. Level of biological organization include domain, then kingdom, phylum, and then class, order, family, and then genus and species. Example, life on earth, eukaryotes like archaea and eubacteria. Animals may plants, homo sapiens, fungi, etc. First name is genus. In level of biological organization, first name always start is genus and second name is species. That is devised by Carlos Linnaeus, and that Escherichia coli, Drosophila melanogaster, Homo sapiens. Like first name is Escherichia and second name is Escherichia is genus and second is species, coli is species. And Drosophila melanogaster in case of fly, that is genus, and melanogaster, that is species. Homo sapiens in case of humans, Homo, that is genus, and sapien is species. First name is genus and second name is species. Level of biological organization, that start from atoms, atoms then form molecules, molecules to then form cells, cells monocellular bacterium like prokaryotes, and then this form tissue, and tissue then form organs and organ system, and then organism, that it create whole organism like multicellular like eukaryote like humans. In molecules that include carbohydrates, lipids, protein, nucleic acid, and DNA and RNA. In atom includes carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Let's get started. Organism, atoms that include carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Then this form molecules, and then form cells. Cells then form organisms.